G'day, Peter here from Advisors Digest. We're holding a series of estate planning workshops for accountants all over Australia: Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide, Perth. 7 hours of CPD, all about estate planning. Now it's a workshop because we spend the first 2/3 of the day going through the technical aspects. What is estate planning? Who does what in the estate planning process? What is in your estate and what doesn't form part of your estate? Who now controls all of your assets after you die? We'll have a look at wills and intestacy. We're not trying to tell you to write wills, but we're going to teach you all about wills. Disclaiming an inheritance if you don't want the money, what happens there? Powers of attorney, medical guardianships, they're very important. Family law needs to be considered in estate planning. Insolvency needs to be considered in estate planning. Superannuation, how does your superannuation go to the people you want it to go to with the minimum amount of tax? Business succession, that impacts all of us. Cross insurance, who pays for whose insurance? Taxation in all of these areas. And then we finish off the last 3 hours of the day with a number of case studies where you put everything together that you've learned and come up with estate plans for these particular sets of clients. Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide, Perth. Want to find out more? Click on the button below. I look forward to seeing you in one of our workshops.